Hey guys, and welcome to my course. My name is Ido and I am a web developer and affiliate marketer for the last 3 years. This course is for you if you would like to build a website for your business, for your services, for your art gallery, and pretty much any other reason that you need a website. That's the way to go, and that's the course that will show you exactly how to build a beautiful and successful website. Now, there are many Udemy and YouTube courses online that will show you how to create a website, but this one is specifically one of a kind because I'm going to show you the easiest and most comfortable way to create a website. It's gonna be so easy, it's a bunch of drag and drops, and this is just an amazing way to create a website. Now, I'm not only gonna show you how to create a beautiful website, which is what you need, but I'm also going to show you how to create a successful website. Okay, and successful website means that you will convert and you will make your visitors as customers, and this is a very crucial step that many other courses and tutorials are skipped because they want to show you how to create a beautiful website, but they forget that you also need to convert in this website, and this course will show you how to do them both. Okay, now this course will cover all the fundamentals regarding WordPress and Elementor, which is the page builder that we are going to use. I wanted to create something that you will put on your business card and you will be proud of it. A website that you will be able to show it to your family members, to your customers, and you will be proud of the website that you built by yourself. Okay, I took inspiration from many mega million companies such as Apple, Lyft, Uber, B&B, and I created a website that will be really nice for you, for your business, for your brand, and will represent you respectfully, and something that you will be really proud of it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the website really quick, and the first thing that you can see, obviously, it's the eye-catching slider over here in front of you. Okay, now this eye-catching slider will have up to 5 images that will switch every 6 seconds. Of course, you can define it for a longer time or a shorter time, but that's the way I did it, and I will show you how to do it also. Okay, now this slider also have a call to action button, and this call to action button will encourage the visitors to act upon reading this title and subtitle. Now this call to action button will repeat himself on other sections as well because I really believe in it, and I really think that we need to encourage the visitors to act. Now in this header you also have a logo that I will teach you how to create. You have the menu on the right top corner, which is over here. Let's keep scroll down, and you can see in the next section that we have the About Us section. And this is really nice section because you have a title, you have a subtitle, you have 3 elements, one next to each other, with the image of the staff member, a title, and a short description. And after we create one, we're going to duplicate it and create 2 more. And here we have another call to action button. Keep scrolling down, and here you can see that you have the gallery section, and that's a great way to display your art gallery or your recent projects, etc. We have a title, we have a subtitle, we have 8 images with a caption just underneath each of the images, and of course we have a nice gap in between all the images to space it out and make it look much better. Okay, of course we also have the call to action button just underneath this section, because we would like to display more of our project, and we would like to link them to a specific page that to display our all projects. Okay, the next section going to be the testimonial section, and this section is beautiful section because as you can see you have a background image that is a fixed position, which means it will scroll up and down with you whenever you scroll up and down the page. This is very nice effect, and I will teach you of course how to do it. Now this section also have a title, you have a subtitle like all the other ones. We have a testimonial on the left side with an image, and of course another testimonial on the right side. Same testimonial with an image. Of course you can write any testimonial that you would like, and another call to action button to read all testimonials. Now this section, the next section, going to be the bullet point section. And this section is often skipped by other courses and tutorials, but I'm not going to skip it because it's crucially important section for your website. It's differentiate you between you and the competition. Okay, so this section is very, very important, and you have a title, of course, you have a subtitle, You have 6 elements. As you can see, you have an icon and a title under each of the icons, and of course short description regarding this element. Okay, and after we create a good one, we're going to duplicate it and create 6 of them or 9 of them or as many as you need. And we have of course another call to action button just underneath this section. And the next section going to be the footer section that will appear in every page. This section have 4 widgets that I will show you how to create, and it's very informative footer, and it's excellent. Let's scroll up back again, and we are going to the next page, which is going to be the About Us page. And this page is very simple page to create. As you can see, we have a nice header over here that took the whole height of the page, that will scroll down with you also, like the fixed position that we did earlier, and I will show you how to do this one as well. Underneath this header section, you have a short description regarding each of the staff member with his name and his image of him and short description, and you can duplicate it and create as many as you need. Now this is very easy and simple layout. That's the way I chose it, but with the tools I will show you and I will give you, you will be able to create any About Us page that you would like. Okay, this is just a simple example. Let's keep going to the Contact Us page, and this is a very important page because it lets your customers stay in touch with you. So you have the physical address on the left top corner, you have the map and that will display your location underneath it on the left side, and you have a contact form on the right side, which will allow the users to stay in touch with you. And the last page going to be the blog page, and this is very nice page. As you can see, the blog posts are one next to each other, and I will teach you how to create this one as well. And I will want to show you how to customize the single post as well, so go into it. And here you can see that you have a sidebar on the right side, you have a feature image, you have a title, you have meta description, and of course you have the blog post itself, along with the leave a comment option underneath the post. And that's it pretty much. That's your website, and I'm going to show you how to create it in the next 2 hours.